In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Notion with Slack in a way that's both easy and quick. By the end of this guide, you'll have these two powerful tools working together seamlessly to enhance your productivity and communication. So, let's dive right in. First, you'll need to head over to your Notion workspace. If you're not already familiar, Notion serves as a versatile tool for creating wikis, managing documentation, and organizing projects. Open your preferred browser and navigate to the Notion website. If you don't have the page already bookmarked, simply type Notion. So into the address bar and hit enter. Once you're there, you'll need to log into your account. Look for the sign in or login option, which you'll typically find either at the top right corner of the page or prominently displayed on the home page. After logging in, you'll arrive at your Notion home screen. This is your central hub, where you can access all your pages and databases. From this dashboard, locate the Settings menu. This is usually represented by a gear icon, which you will find in the side menu, often at the lower part. Click on it to access the settings. Inside the Settings menu, you'll find various options related to your workspace. Here, you want to look for the Connections section. Connections are where you manage the integrations between Notion and other applications. Once you spot it, click on Connections to proceed. Now that you're in the Connections area, scroll through the available options until you find Slack. Slack is a popular messaging platform widely used for team communication. Integrating it with Notion will allow you to send updates, receive notifications, and keep in sync with your team's activities more efficiently. Click on Slack when you find it. Following this, you'll be prompted to authorize the connection between Notion and Slack. This might involve logging into your Slack account, or simply granting permissions. Make sure you have the correct Slack workspace selected, particularly if you are part of multiple workspaces. This authorization step is crucial, as it enables the two applications to communicate with each other. And there you have it. By following these instructions step by step, you've successfully integrated Notion with Slack. This integration opens up a new level of productivity, allowing you to streamline your workflow and keep everyone on the same page. Revisit these steps if you need to add additional features or make changes to your setup. Thanks for watching, and I hope you find this integration as empowering as we do.